Hey guys, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to yet another video and you're welcome back to my channel. So how are you guys doing and how is your day? Okay, so in today's video I've actually come up with an ingredient that would actually help you to remove all of those things, like those strawberry legs, those things that goes on your skin. Some of the things that causes those kind of things are using bad creams, mainly using bad creams, because I'm sure nobody was born with that strawberry leg, the white dots and all of that stuff. I don't think so. But using bad cream, using those lotions that contains harsh chemical, you want to whiten up overnight, you want to lighten up overnight, you just want to change your skin, you want to change your identity basically, those I'm just kidding here. You cannot change your identity, but a lot of people come to my DM on Instagram to ask me, I want to whiten up, I want to lighten up. Calm down you guys. Anyway, let's go back into the video. So those are actually the things that actually causes those white dots that actually makes it look so disgusting at some point. So I've actually come up with an ingredient that will actually help you to clear all of that and give you that glow. Make your leg look so beautiful, make your leg look so smooth, glowing and uniform, basically removing all of those white dots and all of that. Okay guys, so let me take you right into the video, and do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share the video. And now let's go. Okay guys, so to remove some strawberry leg, okay, you're gonna be needing to use onion. Now onion contains an ingredient that helps you penetrate into your skin, lifting up all of those irritations and then making your skin look flawless, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna be preparing the onion. I'm gonna be cutting just half of this, yeah. And then I'll have to cut it and I'm gonna be blending it. So you can either crate it or pound it, whichever material you have to use in processing this, yeah. So you have to use red onion. Red onion is actually very ideal for this, okay? So you have to use red onion for you to get that utmost result. Well, in the absence of red onion, you can't find red onion, you can as well just use your white onion. Okay guys, so I'm actually going to be turning it in plus the shaft. You see how it is. I'm not going to be sieving it because you don't need to sieve it. You need all of the chaff to scrub out those strawberry skin and strawberry leg. Okay guys, so after that you're going to be needing this, and this is sweet potato. So in this particular one you're not going to be using your Irish potato, you're going to be needing to use sweet potato for this. Okay, sweet potato is going to be ideal for this particular strawberry leg, okay, because sweet potato contains some acidic nature in it that would help to penetrate your skin If you can see this, you can see all of the acidic thing coming out. Yeah, it will help, you know, to remove all of those strawberry skin and make your skin look really flawless. And so guys, I'm gonna go boil this and we're gonna be right back, you know, for a boiled sweet potato. So this is our boiled sweet potato. Yeah, and what we're going to do here is that we're gonna cut, mash, or you're gonna blend, however you want it. So for me, I'm actually going to blend this because when I blend this, it's going to actually make it blend really well. So I would actually have to turn in the onion juice into it and then blend it with the onion, yeah, basically. Okay, okay, so I'm gonna be turning it in, done blending, and this is how it looks like. Yeah, so the consistency has to be this thick, okay, so that it could actually remove all of that strawberry leg. Okay guys, so we're equally going to be needing to use some baking soda. Now baking soda helps so much for the skin. It helps to fight, you know, strawberry leg, and it's also helps to fight some growth. It scrub out dead skin cells, you know, removing all unwanted pigments and rash on the skin. So 1 tablespoon of baking soda is what we're going to be needing. Okay guys, so it's gonna like turn dark because of the baking soda and onion in it. It's going to make it turn a little dark. Yeah, and we're equally going to be needing cucumber. Now cucumber helps so much in removing all age problems on the skin. It helps to make the skin really smooth and healthy. Okay, so we're gonna be removing all of those strawberry leg with cucumber. Now I want to blend create it. Okay, so I'm gonna be creating it in a circular motion. Okay guys, so after which you've blend this out, then what we're going to do here is that we're going to be sieving it, but in this case we're not going to be using the sieve out juice. So you just press it out and remove the juice. So in this case, this is what we're going to be needing, this chaff of this cucumber. So I'm gonna be pressing out the juice, removing the juice, and this is what we're going to be needing. So I'm actually going to be putting it into the treatment, and that is why I actually create it, otherwise I would have blended it. Okay, so after which we've put everything, then we'll have to blend, stir this out. And this is how it looks like here. Okay guys, so if you have a strawberry skin, I'm gonna be starting with my skin, okay, on my hands and my legs, you know, to show you. So the first thing you do is to wet your skin all up. You wet your skin with water. And then you grab this treatment and then you apply it onto your strawberry skin. Now the first thing you do is to lay this treatment onto your skin first. Now I'll advise you, you know, to refrigerate it first of all. You have to first of all refrigerate it, so that as you're applying it onto your body, onto your hands and onto your leg, you know, it's just going to help you to remove all of those pigments and those strawberry skin. So I'll apply it onto my hands also. You just lay it there first of all. So after which you've actually applied this, and then the next thing you do is to leave it for it to settle into your skin. You leave it for at least 3 minutes or 2 to 3 minutes, you know, and then after that, then you have to scrub it. Now you can actually even use a light sponge, you know, to scrub this treatment into your skin, and then you have to scrub it in a circular motion, just like this. The strawberry, I'm sure most people don't have, you know, strawberry on their face basically, so there's no need, you know, using this treatment on the face. But of course, if you want to use it for pigment and for age spots, you can still use it on your face. Okay, so you can use it on your face and on your body, just like what I'm doing right now. So you scrub it in a circular motion, just like this. Now you would have to apply this treatment onto your strawberry skin again, or onto your skin if you have open pores or large pores and stuff, or even on your face. You apply this treatment, so you have to apply it again. Okay, so after which you've applied it like this, just like this, yeah, then you leave it on for at least 30 minutes, and then you wash it off. Now you wash it off with a lukewarm water or a cool water. Now you repeat this treatment every day. You can make it and store it into your inside your refrigerator. Now it's gonna go black more, you know, because of the baking soda and the onion, but it is very good. It's not bad. It has not gone bad yet. So you rub it every day for at least 2 weeks or 1 week at most. Those strawberry skin is gone forever, like it's literally gone for good. Okay, so go give this a try. I'm sure you're not going to regret it. So that's it, guys. Go scrub out all of those white dots, scrub out all of those things that is actually making, you know, your leg look strawberry like, you know. and have your skin looking glowing, your leg plump again and look smooth again. All right, so that's it. Scrub it all off with this. Definitely it's gonna work. So I'll see you again in my next video, and do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video, and bye.